Hello everyone. Today, as you saw, we are installing a Hoselink. I have wanted one of these for quite some time now. I was finally able to afford it by making payments. Here's the place where I'd like to install it. It's a very small area, but the Hoselink hopefully will help me get this place a little bit more organized. I thought for sure the Hoselink would fit right here. I could just dig a hole big enough to put the 4x4 post in, cement it in, and have it right next to the faucet. Well, as you know, things don't always go as planned. As I started digging, I realized this was going to be more difficult than I thought. I thought I just put rocks here, but I had forgotten that I'd put some cement tiles around this area too, and I did not want to dig those tiles out. So I realized we're probably going to have to move the Hoselink over to the left. Here is where we started digging, and here is where we ended up making the hole. This was probably the hardest part of the whole thing, was attaching this piece that the Hoselink sits on to this post. Right here I'm struggling because I'm trying to get the measurement from top to bottom to see where the Hoselink needs to sit in order to make the pole not show through the top. The other problem was there was actually a stencil you can use to mark the holes so you don't have to hold the piece here like I was doing. Of course I found it after the fact.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
To attach this piece to the 4x4, they had lag screws, so I had to use a ratchet that I'm not super used to doing. And this took quite some time to get all these screws in and tighten down. I am really enjoying this Hoselink. The only problem is I think I needed a longer one. It said I got the 50 foot, but I swear it's only 25 feet. Anyway, next time I will be getting the 86 feet, I think is what it is, 80 something feet. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe and come back again for lots more stuff.